we're at the Vancouver Resources Investment Conference in Vancouver, sunny Vancouver, and with me I have Mr. Ron Perry, and the company is Metanor Resources, and I believe you're in gold.
Yes, we are. Good to see you.
Now listen, tell us about Metanor. What's your asset? What's the asset that you're currently excited about?
Well, we're working on the Bachelor project right now. So it's a mine and a mill, and we are in commercial production. We declared commercial production in November, and presently we're ramping up production to our theoretical maximum of 5,000 ounces per month. We've attained 4,500 recently in December.
4,000, so in December you did 4,500?
Yes, we did.
So that's close to your production estimate.
Yes, and in 1 week we did 1,193, so if you divide by 7 and multiply by 30, you've hit 5,113. So we can prove that we can do it. We're not consistent. We're still doing development, so we're mixing development ore and production ore, but the grade is well above 6 grams per ton, and we're going, the average life of mine will be 7 grams plus.
What sort of geology is the rock? What's the gold in? Is it a sulfide? Is it a...
It's in sulfide. It's decimated pyrite, so you know there's not much visible gold. So we use cyanide to
so
get it out.
leaching process
Yes,
as
exactly.
well. So now you're listed on the Toronto Stock Exchange?
Yes, and we're also listed on the pink sheets and also in Germany.
So what's your ticker code for Toronto?
MTO, Montreal, Toronto.
MTO.
Oh, Montreal, Toronto, Ottawa.
Oh, great. Now you also have a website as well. So if investors want to go and have a look at the project, they can go to
www.metanor.ca.
Metanor.ca. Now what's we're talking to investors right now, and of course gold's taken a bit of a beating over the last couple of years. What would you say to investors, your project, your company? I mean, obviously you're going right into production now. You've already hit your production estimates already.
We're almost there, yeah, correct.
And so it looks like you may even be exceeding that in the short term.
Well, we do have a plan to increase the production from 5,000 ounces per month to about 7,000, but that'll be in 2015, and the impediment is the hydropower. So, and plus let us operate at the theoretical capacity for at least a year, but we already have the plan. So for a small capital investment of $3-4 million, we can get to 7,000 ounces per month. And that's a significant increase, but for a very low capital cost. And we have 7 drills going. I mean, there's a lot of companies here that don't have a drill.
I did see a lot of drill results coming out for you
and there will be more drill results. So we have 5 drills at Bachelor. It's almost like 5.5, because 1 drill is for exploration underground, and 2 are doing definition drilling. Those 3 drills will never see the light of day again. They're permanently there, so it's a permanent drill campaign. We've added 2 drills on surface at Bachelor, and we've added 2 drills at our sister project, which is a permitted mine we did produce, called the Barry Open Pit. With SGS Geostat, international firm, did our 43-101, and they stated it could be the next Cisco or the next Detour Lake. We have a lot of work to do, but all this is included in the price of Metanor right now.
Wow, so this is an exciting project, and we'd say to investors that an exploration company moving into production, achieving your production estimates very quickly, I think you've got a great future.
And we have another mine, the Barry Open Pit, which we're now in exploration as well. In summary, you've got a 47 million market cap, you got $5-6 million of cash, but we have a hidden asset. It's called the tax loss carry forward. So we have about at least $50 million of loss carry forward, assuming a corporate tax rate of 33%, that's $17 million. So you deduct that, you're trading at a minuscule market cap.
Will you be paying a dividend?
No, not yet. No, the money goes into the ground.
Put it back into the ground. Back in and prove it up.
In future years, we'll consider that for sure.
Ron, thanks very much for joining us.
Thanks for having me.
Yeah.